If you're experiencing payment issues on Sketch 2026, follow these steps to quickly resolve them. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update billing information. Log into your Sketch account and navigate to the billing section. Make sure all your billing information, including your address and payment details, is accurate and up to date. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser cache can cause issues with payment processing. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try making the payment again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with payment processing. Temporarily disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions and attempt the payment again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Sketch customer support. Provide them with details about the problem, including any error messages, so they can assist you effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any payment issues on Sketch 2026 quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.